In this video, I will show how to edit Excel online. So open any browser and search Office Online. Now create or sign in your Microsoft account. Open this Microsoft.com. If you have the account, so sign in, and if you don't have, so create a free account. Now here you firstly need your Excel worksheet on OneDrive with similar account. If you have that one, so click on that one. So open OneDrive on any browser and upload your Excel worksheet. So it will appear here. Just click on it. And here you can edit online. Then save it or then share it. You can share with people. Enter the email address where you want to save it. So enter the email address for group or particular email, and also you can use this link. Anyone with the link can edit, copy and share this link. So this is the way you can edit Excel worksheet online freely